U.S. Army combat vehicles arrived at the CSX rail station in Jessup, Maryland, on June 9, 2025. Offloaded from railcars were the M1A2 Abrams tank, M2A3 Bradley infantry fighting vehicle, and M109A7 Paladin self-propelled howitzer. These military assets traveled nearly 2,000 miles from Fort Cavazos, Texas, showcasing the Army's ability to rapidly mobilize heavy equipment across the country. Their arrival marks preparations for the U.S. Army's 250th anniversary parade this weekend, highlighting the strength and legacy of America's land forces.